Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to look at how to clean data in Power Query. To do that, let's load the file that we are going to be working with, the data we are going to be working with. Right, so this is the data that we are going to be working with. The next thing to do is to go to data, go to from table or range, so confirm if your data has header and click OK. So this is our data live in Power Query. The first thing we are going to be doing here is to remove duplicate records. To remove duplicate records, you click on the column, right click and remove duplicate. But in this case, we want to remove duplicate from the whole record. So let's do Ctrl A, right click on the header and remove duplicates. Now all the duplicate records have been removed. If you look to your right side of your screen, you will see apply steps. This is where all the steps you are taking in cleaning your data, this is where all the steps are being recorded. So to undo the removed duplicates that we have done, if we click on this sign, it's going to remove that step. The next thing we're going to be looking at now is how to split content of a column. So in this column, want to create a separate column for the first name and another column for the last name. To do that, we select the column, right click on the header and click on split column, click on by delimiter. So the content of this column is separated by space. You select space and you click OK. So as you can see, the first name and the last name has been separated. So this is the first name and this is the last name. So let's remove these two columns. All right, so another thing we want to be looking at is how to merge columns. How do you merge columns in Power Query? So select the two columns that you want to merge together, go to transform, click on merge columns. So our columns want to join them together with comma, so we click OK. Our columns have been merged, so we have the city and country together inside one column. Now another thing we want to look at is how to undo missing data. If you have any column that contains missing data, like in this column now we have null value and we would like to convert this null value to 0. So how to do that? Click on the column and go to transform and click on replace values. We want to replace null values with 0, right? So we click on OK. So all the null values have been replaced by 0. So now that our data set has been cleaned, the next thing to do is to go home and click on close and load. This will load our data set back into Excel. This is the clean data set. All right, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos, and you can comment if you have any questions for me. All right, thank you, and I'm going to see you next time.